the software. And for performing the low pressure analysis, you can just load it. The software for operating the MIP is Windows 9400. It's the only software in
this desktop.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got it there. So first thing, to create the sample in the software. So we got to open the software. We go into File, Open, and Simple Information. Here we have to write a name. So maybe it's 5, 2. And because it's the first, we got 2 samples, so we will have the A and A. And here it will say that this sample that does not exist. Do you wish to create it? Yes. And now we have some information, other information to run it. So sample weight, it's the weight that have been measured for the first one.
0.8.
Oh, it's a little bit weird, this thing, so we get to always 0, 8, 791. Okay, run condition, we have to put its intrusion only, this one. And now we have to select the penetrometer. That's why it's important to note it on our sheet. So it's the 070849, this one. And now we have to give the weight of the penetrometer with the sample, the second weight that we measure.
58.
For here, and though we have no correction method, so it's no. Maybe in later we will have some, but for the moment it's no correction method. And actually the other information. Oh no! Here it's not the total weight. In fact, in this sheet, if we enter the sample to
0.791.
And it's the total mass.
68.
It's calculate it, and it's this value that we have to put there. So it's
436.
oh.
432.
Okay. Oh. Select reports. Donc là on sélectionne toutes les choses. If we click on pressure, we can have some data, but what we will do, we will although have access to this information later, so we will make it later. So now this is for the first sample, and we have to save the information. We have to save it, and now it is saved. We can close it and do the same thing for the second specimen. So you go into File, the Open Simple Information. You can okay. Now it's sample weight. Oh. Maybe what we can do is with the arrow is easier to. Oh, you have to. Oh no, it's not 5 points. It's 5.7. And now, although I have to intrusion on laser and here to select your information. So exactly the same. Save, close. So now we have create the specimen on the computer. So we have to. Oh. 5. Oh. We'll just check the first one too. So now we will proceed to the low pressure test. So we got 4 places to perform the test, but the first one is broken, and we only have 2 penetrometers. And for the high pressure, we only have 2. So if we have 4, we can make 4 and after 2 and 2, but because we have only 2 and 2 penetrometers that have the same geometry, it's easier to make only 2. So what we can do, we have to open this thing. So we have to remove this capote. Just turn it counterclockwise. I think it's the word. Here there is a rod to remove. We have to remove the rod. I could have some mercury on the rod, so what I do is always to have I'll always use turn it, remove it, and because it can have some mercury, maybe there is no. But just like this, okay, and put it here. And after that, what we do is to, okay, this is the first port that I use. So I will take 9, so this is the first one. Go through and then we have to screw this. It's not, we only have to be unable to remove it, but it's not necessary to tight it hardly.
Yeah.
And after that we reinstall the capot. And it's okay for the first one. Okay, here I've been working with the old sample where we install what is called a spacer, but now there is no spacer, so we can just remove the sentence. Okay. It can happen that there is a little difficult during the test of make the vacuum. What we can do to avoid this is to make a little thin, very thin layer of grease, of vacuum grease just there. Usually it's not useful, but if we don't, if we have some difficulties to make the vacuum, we can just add a thin layer of grease at the end of the instrument. Maybe you can go for the second one. You can turn it. I know you get really good, but you have to unscrew. Just a little, it's enough. Yeah. And with this, always we can just check that there is no mercury on it. You have to screw it. And now you can put on the okay. So now we will make the low pressure test. So we come here on the sample. So we go in the analysis menu, low pressure analysis, and here is the port, and we will browse for the sample in the port 2 and port 3. So in port 2 we will have this sample. That's why it's very important to be sure to note clearly what is the sample in which penetrometer measure. This one. Okay, so we have our two sample, and after that we have to go in analysis setting, just check where is so here there is a little mistake. It's not in win. There is no data. It's directly in point slash. So the report name will be in this file, and it will be the name of the sample with point RPT, like report.
Okay.
So,
C'est bon, ça?
cool. C'est vraiment bon. Il y a juste à trouver à coller.
Ouais, peux-tu faire de test? J'ai acheté de la colle, de la PM. Je la colle, voir qu'est-ce que... Non, tout ça, non. Je peux faire un test, voir des étanchéités dessus. Verte, électrique. Ouais. Percer des trous, répéter. Percer taper.
Ouais, ben je vais venir, je vais pas en avoir pour long, l'analyse, je vais peut-être te voir. Merci. After that, we got to go in the equilibration. We have to check that time is 10 seconds, so it's okay. And after that, maximum intrusion volume. We got to put this value. So evacuation time it's 5 minutes, so it's okay. Evacuation pressure it's 50. No, it's not PPA. It's micrometer of mercury.
Microgram mercury, yeah.
Oh, it's an error. It's micrometer.
Micrometer, okay.
Yeah, it's a rate of mercury for pressure. And the unrestricted evacuation changeover pressure have to be 0.6625 PCA. So it's all written. In fact, what we have to change is only this value, but we have to check this all value. And after that, we go in pressure there, and it's the same thing that we saw on the last. So here we get to change the firing pressure. It's 0.530, and last low pressure index. We have to change this too, because there is maybe a problem with the apparatus, but it doesn't work if we do this. So here we only go to the 10, and so it will change this thing, but it will not be 30 PSA. The last low pressure it will be only 20, but it's okay. And now we click to OK, and if we go to pressure, it have changed to the good stuff. After that, we go in Mercury, and there we have to check this thing. So the advancing contact angle have to be 130 degrees, so it's okay. The receiving contact angle is the same. The mercury surface tension it's 485 dyne porosimetry, so it's okay. And for the mercury density, we have to choose the value because it depends on room temperature. So here we got people to have a thermometer. It's about 23 in the lab. So we go in this table. It's table, and we choose for with the temperature. So it's 23, and it's 13. It's over 13, but it's the value 4389. Okay. Usually I wrote it here, but here it's not. There's just a mistake there because I put it as an example. Okay. Here is the same. This is the same same temperature. So when we have done all the thing, we are okay to begin the test. So we only have to put it on OK, and now we have to wait.
How long?
The whole analysis is about a quarter to.
Transfer
Oh, so
is low. Okay.
I have to
Refill it, yeah.
Mercury.
Okay.
So I will go to my Mercury is in my office.
Okay.
I will go to Mercury and you have to look at me a little bit far from me just because I will work this liquid Mercury.
Okay.